What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you guys can see in the title, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some frequently asked questions that I've been getting from Instagram and YouTube. And today I'm also celebrating my 1 year and 2 month anniversary. And I know, like, after 1 year, a lot of people just kind of fall off until the next year. But I really want to continue to document my locks as they are progressing throughout the year. So instead of doing a monthly update, I'm going to do every other month, just because at this point, I don't see a lot of changes going on month to month. But since my last update video, I have seen a lot of changes. So I'm excited to get into the video. I'm excited to share with you some of the changes that I've noticed, and I'm also excited to share some of my frequently asked questions that I've been getting, and I want to answer those today. So without further ado, let's get into the video. As I just stated, I have been locked for 1 year and 2 months, and I'm super excited because my hair is finally starting to look the same from the back to the front of my hair. Now my locks are crinkly. And I recently did a braid out on my hair, and I've been wearing my hair like this for a couple days now. I plan on wearing my hair like this for about a week because, you know, I really love how much volume I get when my hair is in this style. I may be wearing my hair in this style a lot more often, and that brings me to my very first frequently asked question. So my very first question is, do your locks unravel, and can you please do some lock style videos? All right, so my locks actually do unravel a little bit. Sometimes I'll notice that maybe up to an inch, I'll see one of my locks unraveling, and it will just feel like loose hair. You know, my locks will feel like loose hair. And so what I do is I just braid that lock down like I would at the beginning. So like I did at the very beginning, I braided my locks toward the end. And some of you guys might already know that based on some of the videos that I have posted in the past. I'll show you my lock installation video up in the cards, and you guys will see how I braided the ends. And so yeah, whenever my locks do start to unravel, I braid the ends. So as I was mentioning my braid out, it really prompted me to share this frequently asked question of, can I do some more style videos? And one of the reasons why I don't do a lot of lock style videos is because I noticed that some of those styles are kind of tight, but I have had alopecia in the past, and so I don't want to aggravate my hair follicles. So anytime I do a lock style video, I try to create a style that is very loose. And so that's why you guys see my hair down a lot, because I do try to limit the amount of styling that I do. But that does not mean that I will not be doing any more style videos. I will actually do a video that is dedicated strictly to styling, but that does not mean that I wear my hair like that often, if that makes sense. All right, so on to my color. You guys, I have not colored my hair since the second time I colored it. I have colored my hair twice since I've had locks, and that's because I've been trying to achieve this color that I have now. And so now that my hair is the color that I desire, I don't plan on coloring my hair. On to my next frequently asked question that actually has something to do with color. The question was, what color do you use when you color your hair? And I use a Natural Tint. That's the brand color, and I use a honey blonde, and it actually gives me this nice brown color, since my hair was really dark brown when I started. Using a lighter color will give me another level of lift. And so that is what I achieved in my last color. I do not plan on coloring my hair anymore because I just want to see it grow out, and as my hair grows out, I'll just have the color on the tips of my hair. All right, so going on to my roots, I interlocked my hair the week before the first week of November. So the last week in October is the last time I interlocked my hair. And I actually am trying to see if I can go another month. I want to wait until the 1st of January to interlock my hair again. And that will be the first time I wait 2 months to interlock my hair. I just want to see how long I can go, because I have been religiously locking my hair like every 4 to 5 weeks. And so I really want to see what my hair will look like and how it will be if I wait. So I want to show you guys my root. And while I'm showing you guys my roots, I did an apple cider vinegar rinse in November, and a lot of people were asking me if I could show you guys like an update on what my roots are looking like since my apple cider vinegar. And this is what my roots are looking like. They look and feel fine. I don't have any itching going on, and I don't have any serious damage that would be like unusual compared to how my hair normally would be. My hair has always had like a little bit of dandruff, and so if you did see any dandruff, that's about normal for me. So it's awesome to know that my hair is still nice and cleansed. It's really nice and light and clean. And the apple cider vinegar rinse really did help to get out all of that extra sebum out of my hair. So the next frequently asked question is, what is budding? So budding is when the ends of your locks start to form a ball. And that is basically your lock starting to close up and lock. And so I do have some buds going on, but I have to look for them because here's one. So I don't know if you can tell, but the end of my hair is forming a ball. And you really can feel when you feel a bud, because it will feel a little rough on the ends versus all the other locks that feel kind of like just curl, that feel like their hair is curling up, but the bud will feel and look rough on the end. And it's just a sign that your hair is starting to lock up. So my next frequently asked question is, how many locks do you have, and how long does it take for you to do your retie? So the last time I checked, which was on my 1-year lockiversary, I counted my locks and I had 471 locks. And yeah, so that's about how many I have now still, because I haven't lost any locks and I have not combined any locks since then. So that's pretty cool that I still have the same number that I had a couple months ago. But since the very beginning of my lock journey, I started with 483 locks. So yeah, I've only lost a few since the beginning of my journey. When I first had my locks, I hadn't combined any, but so I actually haven't lost, like a lock hasn't fallen out. I've only had one lock that has actually fallen out of my hair. All the other locks that I lost were actually combined. So that's actually refreshing because I have alopecia on the side. And those of you who've been following my journey, you know that sometimes I have spots that appear up on this side. And what happens is I won't lose the lock, it'll just become thin. I just wanted to hop on really quick and share with you guys some frequently asked questions that I've been getting. And I also wanted to just give you an update on what my hair is looking like, how it's doing, and all of that. So let's go ahead and get into this texture shot. video. Thank you so much for watching. And you know what? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you are updated every time I post a new video. And guys, please let me know in the comments if you have any additional questions that I did not answer. And you know, thank you so much for following my journey, and I hope you guys have a wonderful journey if you are starting locks or if you have been wearing locks. And you guys, thank you so much again, and until next time,